Hello everyone, welcome to Newbie Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a Thai dish, the Thai Style Basil Chicken. This dish is very easy to make and tastes delicious. Here are the ingredients needed: Thai basil, ginger, garlic, chicken breast, and yellow pepper. First off, cut the chicken breast into slices. You can also choose chicken thighs as an alternative. I chose chicken breast because I think it's an healthier option, as it has less fat and more proteins than thighs. But I do think chicken thighs is more tender and flavorful. Look at what I got. Next, add 3 tablespoons of cooking wine onto the chicken breast. The cooking wine that I use is the Chinese Shaoxing wine. White rice wine can also be used as an alternative. Add 2 slices of ginger onto the chicken breast and mix them well. Adding ginger can make the meat more tender and add a light spiciness. Next, we will be preparing the garlic. First, we press the garlic using the back of the knife. This step will make it easier to bring out all flavors of garlic. And then we slice the garlic into pieces. Garlic is a very important spice as it brings out the flavor of the meat. At the end, mince the garlic using the back and forward motion as shown in the video. Look at these beautiful garlic pieces. This garlic is gonna make the dish taste really delicious. Next, we cut the yellow pepper in half. Cut the top parts of the yellow pepper off and take away any seeds that are inside the yellow pepper. And then we cut the yellow pepper in slices. Feel free to use other vegetables as alternative. Look at what we got. For the sauce, we need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Three tablespoons of water. And mix the mixture well. This is the sauce. Set aside. Use it later. Add cooking oil to the pan. Add the minced garlic to the oil. Make sure the oil is at a higher temperature. Fry the garlic for 30 seconds. Add salt and fry garlic until it turns golden in color. smells so good. Add chicken and stir fry. Take out the ginger in the chicken. When chicken breasts are half cooked, add yellow pepper to the pan. Stir fry until the chicken breasts are fried and turn a little brown. And then we add the sauce. Continue frying until the sauce thickens. After a few minutes, reduce heat and add basil to the pan. Basil should be cooked with reduced heat and should not be cooked for a long time to preserve flavor. Oh, it smells so good. Basil smells so good. Basil brings out the flavor of this dish. Continue stir frying. Right now the dish smells really good. And we are done. The Thai basil chicken is done. It smells so good and it's so delicious. I usually serve this Thai chicken dish with steamed rice and a fried egg on the side. A sunny side egg is recommended because the egg yolk mixture mixing with this chicken and the sauce and the rice tastes really good. Look at this beautiful yummy dish. I hope you guys will enjoy it. The Thai style basil chicken is ready to eat. Here's a technical summary. Garlic should be seasoned with salt and fried to golden color before adding other ingredients. Basil should be cooked with reduced heat and should not be cooked for a long time to preserve flavor. Chicken thigh meat or ground chicken are great alternatives to chicken breast meat used in the video. Yellow pepper can be replaced with other vegetables. There are a lot other tasty combinations. Please subscribe and comment below.